Hey guys, we received this GM back wireless Switch Pro controller for Nintendo Switch, Lite, PC, or any other Bluetooth gaming device. So this we received for test and try. So let's just open the box. So this have a multiple compatibility because this have a inbuilt Bluetooth where you can connect it with your TV box, iOS, macOS, PC stream, phone, PC, or like any other thing. So this comes with this charging cable, and then this is inbuilt battery as well as the Bluetooth. So I will just charge once like for doing everything. And these have all the buttons like the general PC buttons like a Xbox controller and with the 6-axis gyro sensor. So the buttons looks really cool, like smooth steering and everything. The buttons are fine. I'm just starting this just to show. I will connect it with the Bluetooth. This is for the vibration sensor and then two extra button for the speed or like if you are playing some games. So this have a inbuilt vibration that I can feel. So I'm just trying to attach so home plus a button and then it will just say like Xbox wireless controller on your PC and Bluetooth device. So I will just connect. Once connected, this will become the RGB lights. Now just I'm playing this game with this controller. So the playing is pretty smooth. I don't have any issue with the steering with this rotation like the joystick, the power button and stuff. I fast forward the speed of this game so that it will not take much time in the video. And you can see like it's easily controlled with the drift as well as with the speed and things. And also like these RGB lights are good. This controller also give me vibrations when I'm hitting something. So that is a pretty good thing. And you can, of course, close the vibration if you want with the remote control thing. So you can control a lot of things and pretty much very smooth. So I like this controller and hope this is also a fun thing for you. And you can attach this through the Bluetooth to any other device that you want to, and then you can play any game with it. It's pretty nice and pretty cool game controller.